It's the lace for me. It's the lace for me. Oh my gosh, look, the angles. You know, this is how you could tell whether or not a lace is really good. It's the angles. When the angles hit, is it hitting? Is it hitting the way it needs to hit? It's just scalp. It's giving scalp. Hey beauties, my name is Chanel, and today I'll be showing you guys up on this gorgeous wig that I got on today. This one is giving very boom, very crazy, very wild, and like craziness. This is just how I styled her for now. This gives me very much so like in the mid of summer type vibes, very up, out of the way, or you could definitely do a bun. Y'all, the lace on this is just super gorgeous. But y'all, let's get into the styling, and then we can talk about how I feel about this one right here. So that pretty much wrapped it up, you guys. This is how I style it. It was super easy for me to style, and I know lots of my beauties already know this is the same steps Chanel always do. So for my babes that always want to see my steps, I literally do the same thing over and over again when I apply my wigs. It takes time, you guys. I know it's kind of like, yo, Chanel, like, I'm not getting it, or you know, I'm not a stylist. I get it. I'm not a stylist as well, but it does take time. With anything that you want to do in life, it takes time and practice. So just like your makeup or anything else that you do for yourself on a daily or when you go out, it just takes time to practice. You're not going to get it one night when you really need to get it. So just practice, you guys. That's what can make you find out what fits and what works out for you. So yeah, that's just a pro tip for you guys out there. Anyways, if you guys have not caught on, this one is by Afsisterwigs, and I absolutely love this wig. I love this wig. I wish it was really longer. I wish it was about, like, I don't know, I want to say about 30-inch long. That's how long, because if it was long, y'all, it would have been super gorgeous. The texture and everything else, all the details will be listed down below. I should have listed somewhere along the screen already, but just in case if you missed it, it'll be listed down below. But on this part, we're just going to talk about exactly how I feel about it and what's the real deets on it. How do I feel on it? Like, do I feel like you should pick up or not? Off the rip, I'm gonna tell you, you need to buy, period. You got to buy this one. If you don't buy this one, get any wigs from Afsisterwigs, because let me say this, the lace, like, y'all, the lace, okay? Especially if you're like wig savvy, the lace works for one, somebody that's wig savvy, and two, somebody that's not wig savvy. Because if you're not wig savvy, having good lace, that just did half of the job for you. If you have good lace, that just does the half of the job for you technically. Now, if the wig does not have good lace, it's just something that's like a hit or miss. But with Afsisterwigs, one thing that I realized about their wigs, y'all, their lace is just bomb. I think this is the third or second time. I think the second time I actually picked up a wig from them, and I love the lace. The lace is amazing. The construction of the wig is amazing. The texture is amazing. One thing I want to say that I really wish that the waves pattern went all the way up to the roots. I do believe it kind of did, but I went ahead and kind of blow dried that out, so maybe that's why I'm not experiencing it. And I did use the flat comb, the flat iron comb, to kind of flatten that top out as well. So maybe that's why. But the lace, y'all, like scalp, skin, okay, like that's just the only way to explain it, y'all. So speaking of lace, I'm taking one regular lace so you guys could kind of see how it kind of blends in and it sticks onto your skin. So this one would be like a regular medium lace, and I just glued the center, and you could kind of see, you know, if you were to kind of add some more got2b spray on there. But yeah, if you were to go ahead and glue this type of lace on to your scalp, like if it came in a wig, you still are able to see it. Doesn't really blend in. It's super thick. You still can see the net. I don't know if you guys can see that. It really doesn't really blend in on the skin really well. Yeah, so that's the regular, and then this would be transparent. The thing is with transparent is it could be a hit or miss with certain wigs. I feel like this transparent it really gets transparent. It is a good type of transparent type of material for lace, but again, even with transparent lace, sometimes you still can get a white cast at times. So here's transparent, and then I'm gonna show you Swiss lace, which is what I got on today. And you guys could even see while it's drying, like before it's even like fully dry, y'all can see that it like blends and sink in on my skin. And this is Swiss lace right here, so I can kind of give you guys a clear shot of that. So that's literally like skin compared to the other three. Like, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This one blends like a charm, as you guys could see. There's a regular medium brown that I showed you at first. There's a transparent I showed you at second, and this is the Swiss that I showed you last, which is the best one, you guys. It dries like skin. Obviously you could kind of see it, still see a little white spot mark because I did use excessive got to be ow 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 my hair. I love this lace. Like, this lace is freaking bomb. If I could have Swiss lace on all of my wigs, it's like literally a game changer. Like, I've had Swiss lace before, but this, like, I love how their lace is, and I love the fact that they got the hairline on point. AFSisterwigs did amazing. I absolutely love her, you guys. If you guys miss any details on the wig, it's listed down below in the description bar, so you guys go ahead and scroll on down and get the scoops on that, and the link is on top of the description bar. You need to pick up, like, literally now, sis. Like get it. And mind y'all, when y'all click the link, I don't get like commission for that, just to let y'all know, because I know a lot of you guys want to know, but that link I don't get a commission. Y'all get it or be sorry. Okay, anyways, I said enough. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, make sure you guys go ahead and like, definitely comment right now down below. Let me know on what you think about her and all that jazz, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.